Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie. Thank you so much for joining today's video. It's going to be kind of random, I guess, but I am just going to be cleaning up my office a little bit, just trying to reorganize some things, and I wanted to share it with you. So if you'd like to see me clean up a little bit, make sure to stay tuned. Let me know in the comments if you like this kind of video. I'm not going to do the cleanup right now, but I am editing a video that's due in a couple days. I'm just trying to get it out of the way because, like I said in one of my previous videos, I try to get stuff done ahead of time so that I'm not swamped in the beginning of the week. Today is Thursday. We're trying to get this one done. I'm going to do a little bit of work and then we're going to clean this room up, probably cook some dinner, and then attempt to edit this video. Let's get this work done. I am finishing up this video and I also have to do the SEO for YouTube, but I think I'm going to wait to do that until tomorrow because I want to get some stuff done. My arm's gonna fall off. I opened all of the windows in the house because it's about 72 degrees outside and it's super nice, and it's really nice to have some fresh air coming through the windows. Sorry, I am distracted. I am putting captions on this Instagram video. It's I don't know what that is. I take teasers from YouTube videos that I edit and then I make them into Instagram videos. So I like to put captions on the Instagram videos because people like to read captions sometimes, you know? So I just have to finish that up, export it, upload it for her review. Wow, everything just got so much brighter. And then I'm going to get to cleaning. This dog right here is a pain. She won't eat her dinner. We're going to have a little overview of the office before we clean it, just so you can see what we're working with. We moved into this house in January. It is now almost end of March. I don't have spots for everything yet, but I want to get rid of this box. There's a mirror right there. There's cat toys, all these art supplies, canvases. This just needs to be straightened up a little bit. That needs to go somewhere. All these art supplies on the bed need to go somewhere. And the bed needs to be redone. My desk just needs a little cleanup situation because it's just... I mean, it's not that bad. It's really not that bad, but it's just, cluttered. That is what we're going to do. We're going to clean this up. You will have to ignore my outfit. I work from home and I didn't talk to anyone today, so this is the situation. But I am going to do some cleaning up like I just said. I feel like this is a weird day because we just had a fire down the street and it's March and the fire is already starting. This one was started by a homeless person that lived under one of the overpasses. We live on a mountain that has just a couple streets. I mean, you can get to it if you go really far around, but it's just kind of scary because the fires in California are they're getting scarier every year. I'm hoping that this is not a normal yet because it's warm, but it's not summer. First, I'm going to put all of this somewhere. I have plenty of paint. We are making a mess already. So I have a ton of canvases with paintings that I've done. I was really into the Monstera paintings, these lemon things. I don't want to hang them, so I'm going to shove them in the closet. This is my favorite painting I've ever done. I don't know if it's coming out on camera, but this was my first dog. His name was Charlie. This is the last big painting I did, and I did it in, I didn't put a date, 2016, so 6 years ago. Here's another one of my favorite paintings. It's Rocky Horror Lips. Isn't it pretty? I should keep this out. So like I said, I'm still working on where to put all of my things. This is the closet I have in here. I have a lot of knitting needles and paint brushes, so I think I'm just going to put them here. And then I also don't know where to put all these canvases in this. I I'm just a mess. And then an empty switch box. I don't know what to do with this. It's like something you put on top of a desk and the desk raises up. But I now have this flexi spot desk, which you press a button and it goes up. So I think I'm just gonna hide it under this bed here. So I cleaned up the bookshelf a little bit. My cats, they are kittens. They kind of hop up on top of this thing and like mess with the plants and stuff. It's good enough for now. I also have this fiddle leaf fig right here that I want to get something that I can put it on top of so it's not sitting on the ground. It's just gonna stay there for right now. And then once I do, I think I have like this round mirror right here and I'm gonna put it right there. Haru. So now I just have to vacuum. I'm going to probably ignore this box I have right here and just shove it in the closet because it's just office supplies and I don't really have anywhere to put it. This is my recycle bin right now because I recycle and it's important to me, so I don't have like an official bucket. That is the trash can. This is my mirror that I use to like do my makeup or like pluck my eyebrows, and then I need to put that humidifier somewhere because it is wet. Dog bowl. And then that thing underneath my desk, I've had to flip it over. It's something that you like stand on so you can like work on your balance while you're working, and like it has little things to stimulate your feet. I'm just gonna leave that there. I had to flip it over because my cats use it as a scratching post. And then I need to straighten that thing out. I forgot that I bought this. It is a disco ball plant holder. My neighbors could probably hear me talking, but I live on a cul-de-sac, so there's not that much activity, but I'm like, I'm just gonna put it under the bed for right now because I'm not in the mood to like put things in the ceiling. Everything is cleaned. Everything is organized. So here's a little overview of the room. So I am probably going to do like a more in-depth office tour when I have everything more set in stone, but I thought this would be a cute little overview. So like I said, wastebasket, recycle. I'm just leaving that mirror there because I pick it up and I don't have a vanity yet. Here's my desk. This is where I keep all my important documents for taxes, my business papers, insurance, you know, all the fun stuff. And then I have my computer and all of my hard drives, little fun toy. I have my planner right here where I write down everything I need to do in a day. This little guy, I got this as an add-on because this flexi spot desk does not come with any drawers. I don't know why I said that so weird. So I bought this from, it's like those IKEA drawers that you saw the beauty influencers using in like 2010. So I got one for myself because I was obsessed back then. So I have my extra laptop, plant, and then just office supplies in there. When I do an office tour, I will tell you what's inside the drawers. But we got a window. It's bright. See, I live in a cul-de-sac. You can't really tell. And then we have the trundle bed. Don't have the bottom piece right now, but I shoved that stand-up desk underneath just because it's open and like I don't want to deal with it. And I have this little painting that I thought was kind of cute. Just reminded me of my room. And then I have my bookshelf with most of my books. I have a lot actually in this closet. I put my favorites out. So I have like on the top shelf, if you're curious, I have like Colleen Hoover books, and then I have random. Then I have Twilight and a Court of Thorns and Roses series, and then just some random stuff. And then there's my fiddly fig that I hope is not dying. It needs water.